The ghoulish invention of the microwave oven. Long before microwaves sat silently in your kitchen, quietly nuking last night's leftovers, their invention had a rather gruesome beginning. Picture this: a dimly lit lab, humming machines, and guinea pigs being frozen and then heated back to life. Yes, really. Microwave ovens weren't discovered by accident in a kitchen. Their roots trace back to World War II radar research, where engineers noticed that microwaves, those invisible waves used to detect enemy planes, could also heat food surprisingly fast. But food wasn't the first test subject. Guinea pigs were. The process was part of early cryopreservation experiments. Scientists wanted to see what happens when living tissue is frozen and then exposed to microwaves. The goal? Bring them back to life. Sounds like a horror film, doesn't it? But it was science. One key figure in this strange story was James Lovelock, better known later for the Gaia hypothesis. But in the 1940s, he was exploring the bizarre frontiers of freezing life and reviving it. Lovelock's experiments helped lay the groundwork for understanding how microwaves affect biological tissue and, ultimately, food. So how does it work? Microwaves excite water molecules, making them vibrate, fast, furious, and deadly for any guinea pigs in their path. But this vibration is exactly why microwaves can cook food quickly. It's science, with a hint of horror. These experiments weren't just quirky, they were borderline ghoulish. Animals were frozen to extreme cold, then zapped with microwaves. Some survived, some didn't. The scientists documented every detail, often with the same fascination you might have for a reality TV show. But these early tests revealed important truths about heat transfer, tissue resilience, and the potential of microwaves. And then there's Percy Spencer, the man credited with the first working microwave oven. Legend has it he discovered microwaves could cook food when a chocolate bar melted in his pocket near radar equipment. From that moment, the bizarre lab experiments transformed into something domestic. Early commercial microwaves were massive, hundreds of kilograms, not the countertop miracles we know today. They were essentially repurposed radar equipment. Imagine trying to nuke your frozen pizza in a machine the size of a refrigerator, while remembering that guinea pigs once paved the way. Cryopreservation itself was revolutionary. Freezing living tissue to pause life, then reviving it, wasn't just mad science. It was essential for medical advances. And yes, it helped scientists understand how microwaves could transfer energy without completely destroying living matter. Essentially, the microwave oven owes its existence to a combination of curiosity, chaos, and a touch of morbidity. From frozen guinea pigs to reheating last night's lasagna, the microwave's journey is bizarre, fascinating, and undeniably useful. Science can be weird, and sometimes a little ghoulish. But thanks to these early experiments, we enjoy convenience at the push of a button. And our leftover burritos never have to face the horrors that guinea pigs did. So, next time you hear the familiar hum of your microwave, spare a thought for the brave, frozen guinea pigs, the eccentric scientists, and James Lovelock tinkering with life and death. Science doesn't just change the world, it occasionally gets a little dark doing it. Fun fact, James Lovelock's work on cryopreservation eventually influenced life extension research, organ preservation, and indirectly, the microwave oven in your kitchen today.